Well, hello there. It's me, Howard Khan. Today I'll teach you how to make CoC sounds in silence. Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! Yeah! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Aha! Hooah! Hooah! Ah! Woo! Aha! Pew 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 pew! Down! Whoa up! Whoa whoa whoa! Zip! Whoa! Zip! Whoa 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 whoa! Chi! Whoa up! Okay, now how about we do more of those? When we did it. Ah, ha, oh, ha, oh, ha, oh, bloop, destroyed. All right, and of course. Destroy! Roar! Fire! Fire! Oh! 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 Hoo! Ow! Boy! Destroy! Yeah! Boy! Right. We'll do even more of that. Whoop. Da-dang! Whoop. Do. Whoa! Ah! Whoo! Ha-ha! Okay. Alright, we'll do so many more of this. We'll do. Oh, boil. Do. Deal. Do it. Dump. Okay. Not easy that bad, but how it works. Alright, just welcome for part 2. Bye.